Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here, and today we're going to be replacing a parking light. You see the little parking light right here? Sometimes they're a little tricky to get to, but this is a Tiguan, a 2011, so this applies to the 2009 and up Tiguans. All right, they're on. I just replaced it, but I thought I'd make a video because people probably don't know how to do it. So it's easy. What you're going to do, we're going to do the passenger side. You look for the little rubber thing right here. And you're going to say, okay, but how do I get to it? This one's all the way down here. And where do you get to it? Well, the Germans came up with a clever idea. You see this? In here, not only do you have your headlight, but you see this little plastic one? That's basically a little wand that goes all the way down to that little light bulb. So what you do with this is you just take it out of its little seat right there and try to grab it, and push it towards you with your thumb. They're a little hard sometimes. Let me turn around. A better view. All right. And just take your thumb and push it out, or get like a little screwdriver and push it out a little bit. And then it comes right out. Now, obviously, yours will be burnt. And you just take it out. It's one of these type of bulbs. Let me just flip this around. Sorry. These usually, you got to look for I call them the 194s. That's basically the standard back in the day, but they have all different types. It basically goes by the little bit of a wattage difference or the color. But alrighty then, let me just go get that. It's this type. You see the ones you just push in. All right. So you just make sure that the wand, a little stick, whatever they call it, over here is not burnt out or melted, where you're going to have another problem. And you just put it back in. Very easy. You just push it back in. And it's always good to make sure that it's on before you put it back in. Make sure the wiring is fine. We'll go inside the car now and just shut it off. And it just slides back into its little channel. Let me show you back what it is. It's basically a little silver. You see that little silver channel in there? Right down there? It just slides right in there and forces itself to line up. And you just push it back in. So, you get it like this. This, you push it in, and once you hear a click, it has a little, once you hear a click, there's like a little thing here, and you just push it down. You just push this down, see this little thing? It just goes like this. Like that, and then that's it. And you put the little cover back. Make sure you have these covers. If you don't have these covers, the water can splash up and blow your headlights out, and it always fails at the worst times. All right, let me spin this around. I don't make you dizzy. All right, and you just check them, and that's basically it. It's pretty fast. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. And you have any ideas for new videos, any cars, you let me know. If I can do them, I will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.